Hello everyone! Some people call it a pie, but I call it pumpkin cheese. I used Kabocha pumpkin, also known as Japanese pumpkin. Its flesh is bright orange, dense, sweet, and turns creamy after baking. For this recipe, grate about 200 grams of pumpkin on a coarse grater. It tastes a bit like chestnut or sweet potato and works great for purees, baking, soups, and desserts. Take 200 grams of orange cheese, similar in color to the pumpkin. I used cheddar cheese with a natural colorant from annatto seeds. Grate 1 clove of garlic. It will make the flavor more balanced, adding a touch of spice and reducing extra sweetness. You can use any type of pumpkin and cheese you like. Add 2 eggs to make the texture fluffy and hold the ingredients together. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of oregano for a light Italian aroma. Add 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 20%. If your cheese is salty, you can skip the salt, but generally add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, lightly roast 50 grams of sunflower and pumpkin seeds in a pan. Let them cool, then mix most of them into the batter, keeping a few for decoration. Melt 25 grams of butter in the microwave and add it to the mixture. Grind 5 tablespoons of rolled oats into flour, or use regular flour. And add it to the mixture. And at the very end, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything well and let the batter rest for 15 minutes. Line a baking dish with parchment paper, pour in the mixture and sprinkle the remaining seeds on top. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 30 minutes. After baking, don't remove the cheese from the oven right away. Let it cool inside. You can eat pumpkin cheese warm or cold. When warm, it's soft, tender, and slightly moist inside. But I always leave it in the refrigerator overnight and eat it the next day. And here's the cheese the next day. It has changed in appearance, become firmer, and its flavor has improved. It looks just like real cheese. The cheese cuts very softly and elastically. We'll see how it turns out after cooling. This is yesterday's cut, and the other side is smooth after cooling. It's very aromatic and light. I'd add a little more nutmeg. Thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. See you next time. Bye bye!